Kia ora te whana, tēnā koe, hane mai. Kia ora.
Kia ora. This is my brother Ryan.
Hello.
So we're going to help
Can
you guys.
speak in Māori.
Yeah. Koorero Mai, Koorero Te Reo, and New Zealand Sign Language.
Aotearoa.
Aotearoa. Ka pai.
Aotearoa.
Otatahi is
Right.
Christchurch.
Christchurch.
Yeah. So we're going to look at one of Jenny Chapman's other books. It's called Koorero Mai, Speak to Me, Home. So our first sign, our first word is kainga.
Kainga.
Kainga. Home.
Home.
Home. Tino pai. Our next one is kapu.
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 Cup.
Cup.
Piriti.
Piriti.
Plate.
Plate.
Piriti.
Piriti.
Plate.
Plate.
Kuri. Our next one is clothes. Kākahu. Kākahu.
Kakahu.
Kākahu.
Kakahu.
Ka whai. And the next one is
Shoe.
shoe. Who.
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 Who. Tino pai. Inu.
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 Drink.
Drink.
Inu. Apple.
Apple.
Aporo.
Apple.
Aporo. Ka
Apple.
pai.
Waka riri rangi.
Tino pai. Waka aririrangi. Waka aririrangi.
Waka tin
Aririrangi.
ring.
Tino pai. Plane. Our next one is
Motoka.
motoka.
Motoka. Waho.
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 Outside.
Waho.
Waho. Rako.
Rako.
Look, there's rakos in the background. Can you see all of those big, tall rako? Rako.
Rako.
Tree.
Tree. Wharepaku.
Wharipaku.
Wharepaku.
Wharipaku.
Wharepaku.
Toilet.
Toilet.
Last one is putti putti.
Putti putti.
Flower.
Flower.
Putti putti.
What do you hear we smell?
Putti putti.
Putti putti.
Bye.
Bye bye.